Hello children, good morning. Welcome once again to the English class. And we are on the 29th day of June 2020. What were we learning? We were learning adjectives. Do you remember? I also saw all your assignments. Very good children. Applauses to everyone who have completed it. This is something new which we learnt on Friday. Is it not, children? Attributive and predicative adjectives. In today's class, we are going to learn the kinds of adjectives. Now, for you, in grade 4, the kinds of adjectives which you are going to learn are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. So totally 6 kinds of adjectives you are going to learn in your grade 4. Whereas in today's class, we are not going to learn all the 6 kinds, but we are going to learn the first 3 kinds. Those are adjectives of quality, quantity, and number. Come, let's get into the topic. First, adjective of quality. Now, what is adjective of quality? Now, look at this carefully and listen to me. Adjective of quality is used to talk about the quality of a person or thing. An adjective of quality describes the quality, shape, size, color, taste, etc. of the nouns that come after them. Let us see the example sentence. Mrs. Indira Gandhi was a popular leader. Now, the adjective is popular. Here, the word popular describes the quality of the leader. The leader, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, is our noun. How to identify whether the adjective is the adjective of quality or not? Children, if the adjective answers the question, what kind? Then it is adjective of quality. In this example sentence, see, what kind of leader is Mrs. Indira Gandhi? She is a popular leader. So the word popular is the adjective and it is the adjective of quality. Children, in this slide, I have given exercise for you to complete. Now remember, if you have your grammar book with you, you can find these sentences in your grammar book under the topic adjectives. But if you don't have your book, no problem. I will send you the same exercises as a PDF. Kindly take a note of it in your English notebook. Write today's date and write grammar, topic adjective and start recording all these exercises in your English notebook. Those who have your book can use your grammar book. Now coming to adjectives of quantity. Quantity is how much. Now look at these examples, children. Adjective of quantity. How much water is there in the jug? If the jug is full, you can say there is much water in the jug, which refers to the quantity. When the jug is almost empty and you don't have even sufficient amount of water to drink, then you will say there is little water in the jug. The word little gives negative meaning. Now look at the other example. How much rice is there in the dish? There is much rice in the dish. There is a little rice in the dish. Did you notice, children? The adjective of quantity speaks about uncountable nouns. Water cannot be counted. Rice cannot be counted. Adjective of quantity always speaks about uncountable nouns. Were you able to notice one more thing? See, the word little gives negative meaning, whereas if you add a before the word little, then it gives positive meaning. When you say there is little water in the jug, it means there is no sufficient water for anyone to drink. But when you say there is a little water left in the jug, then it means there is some water which can quench someone's thirst. This is the second exercise, children, where you have to underline the adjectives of quantity in the following sentences. Next, we are going to see adjective of number. Adjectives of numbers are used to show the number of things or the numeral order of things. Adjective of quantity tell us how much, whereas adjectives of number tells us how many. Can you see the examples? How many horses? 2 horses. How many fingers? 10 fingers. How many candles? 10 candles. Adjectives of number answers the question how many. Here is your last exercise of the day. Underline the adjectives of number in the following sentences. Children, we are towards the end of our session. Let us have a quick recap. Adjectives. An adjective is a word used to modify a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives answer the questions what kind. If it does, it is the adjective of quality. If it answers the question how many, then it is the adjective of number. If it answers how much, it is the adjective of quantity. Was today's class easy, children? Kindly complete the exercise I've given you. Again, let me remind you, if you have your book, you can do it in your book. Those who don't have your book, no worries. I'll send you a PDF form. Kindly copy down all the exercises in your notebook and then share it with me in the group. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.